Hi, it's Meg from the Westchester Public Library in Westchester, Pennsylvania. Listen to this. That's right. Today is May 4th. May the 4th. May the Force be with you. Today is Star Wars Day, and I'm going to show you how to make a pretty easy origami Yoda. I'm also going to put the link on this video so you can see how to do it step by step. The first thing you'll need is 2 pieces of paper. They need to be square, so if you have regular paper that goes in a computer printer or a copier, you can fold it and cut it into a square first. All right, so I'm going to start with the head of our Yoda, and for that, of course, I'm going to use green. And the first thing I'm going to do is fold that into a triangle. I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to fold the other side up also into a triangle. So now we folded our paper twice, and we've opened it back up again. All right. Fold your paper like this, fold it into a triangle with the open point at the top. And what you want to do is fold that down right to the bottom of your triangle. And when you're doing origami, it's good to crease things with your fingers as much as you can. It makes it easier. Once you fold that down, you want to take just the top of it, this little bit here, and you're going to fold that up so that a little bit of it is sticking up past the top of this trapezoid shape. All right, let's see what's next. Now, we're going to take just the tip of this triangle and fold it down, like so. Okay, now we're going to take the left side and fold it up straight at the center of our shape, like so. And remember to crease it. And then, let me show you what that looks like. We're going to do the same thing on the other side, like this. And after that, see how I'm holding this up? And it has the 2 points at the top. We're going to fold that in. It's getting kind of thick at this point, but that's okay. Take your time and do your best to keep your folds as straight as possible. So I folded one side in. Now I'm going to fold the other side in. My sides turned out a little bit crooked, but I think that's going to be okay. I think it might mean that one of Yoda's ears is going to be bigger than the other one. All right, once we've done that, we're going to take these pointy Yoda ears and we're going to fold them down. I need to look at my picture again. Okay, we're going to fold them down right along the side here and fold this one right along the other side. All right, and we want his ears to stick out the way Yoda's ears stick out. So we're going to make them point out to the side like this. And the last part we need to fold is Yoda's chin, which is going to be down here at the bottom. So we'll fold that up. And then when you turn it over, it's Yoda! We can also make a body for Yoda so that Yoda can stand up. So let me go to the next page. I'm going to use this sheet of paper for Yoda's body. We're going to fold a triangle again. Okay, and then unfold it like we did before. And then we're going to fold down these sides, but not quite all the way to the center. Let me show you what that looks like. So I'm folding it down, but this is my center line, and I'm not folding this all the way to the center line. But the bottom of it is crossing the center line. This is going to be like Yoda's robe. So do the same thing on the other side. So you can see there's two flaps on Yoda's robe. Now we're going to fold the bottom sides to the center. So take this side here, fold it up like so. And we're going to take the other side and fold that up to the center as well. Okay. So the only bit of color that I see on mine is right up here at the top, because Yoda's robe is white. Then we're going to turn our paper over. I'm going to take this bottom corner. Let me show you again. This is where our color is. This is the bottom corner. I'm going to fold it all the way up to the top until it meets that point. Okay, like so. And we're going to fold, fold the top corner to the bottom edge. Oh yes, so then we're taking this here, just the top layer of our triangle, and we're going to fold that down to the bottom. And then you can fold the top corner like this down. And when we turn it around, I forgot a step, sorry. Turn it back over and fold this part into the center. So it's kind of like the sleeve of Yoda's robe. And then fold the other one to the center for his other sleeve. And that should stand up. And once we have the body and our Yoda head, and turn your body over, turn your Yoda head over, and just slide that bit of the body up underneath your Yoda head and turn it back around. And there is your origami Yoda. Have a great Star Wars day, everyone. Bye.